Senator Josh Hawley's the Homeland Security guy, and he is here. Senator, what can you tell us?
Well, what I can tell you, Jesse, is nobody wants to answer any questions about this. And I'll tell you what I find really fishy. The director of the FBI, Christopher Wray, and the secretary of the Department of Homeland Security, Alejandro Mayorkas, were supposed to testify under oath in the Senate on threats to the homeland. It's a hearing that they have to do every year. They canceled it a couple of weeks ago. They have refused to reschedule it. And now, Jesse, they are sending their deputies, but only behind closed doors on Thursday. They do not want to talk about this in public. They don't want to answer questions about it. This is really weird, and it's getting weirder. They need to level with the American people.
So your colleagues in the House, they just got briefed, and we haven't had any leaks. Now, when they got briefed on Russia, we got leaks about a minute after the session was over. Why aren't they telling us anything?
I suspect it's because they're getting the total runaround. They're probably getting told what we've been told in the Senate that you just recapped. It's that, oh, well, actually, they're not really drones. Well, okay, maybe they are drones, and maybe some of them are military drones, but probably most of them are hobbyists. Just don't worry. But here's the deal, Jesse. When we're shutting down Air Force bases, Wright-Patterson Air Force Base gets shut down for a while. When commercial airlines are interfered with, they can't do their flight patterns because of these drones. That's weird. You can't tell me the government doesn't know what's going on here. And the fact they will not brief us, they will not level us with us, they won't answer questions in public, there's something really strange that's going on.
So, Senator, what I think you're saying is that Rosie could be right. They could be aliens.
Anything is possible, but I tell you what worries me is the fact that these are over our military installations, and let's not ever forget that this administration allowed a Chinese spy balloon to fly across the entire continental United States, did nothing about it, and now they won't level with us about this. I think it's a big problem, Jesse.
I do too. But I have no idea what they are. It doesn't sound like you do either. And no one's telling anybody. So I'm just going to go with Rosie. And that's pretty bad. Senator Hawley, if you learn anything, come to primetime, tell us what you know, okay?
You'll be the first to know.